Hi guys! Today we're going to be making our do-it-yourself watercolor ghost trick-or-treating bag. And we could attach this to any brown shopping bag. It could be any bag really. But yeah, let's go step by step. So a few supplies needed: paper, watercolor paper, orange construction paper, scissors, tape, watercolor paint, of course, and paintbrush, water, and Sharpie. This is my list.
Hi.
Hi! So this is mommy and daughter art session right now. We are going to make a watercolor ghost bag. This will be used for trick-or-treating or something that maybe you could use it in your classroom. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So let's get right into it. Step 1. Ava's gonna go ahead and draw us a ghost, a simple ghost. And we're gonna cut that out and we're gonna go into the next step. So let's get right into it. So you made your ghost. So Ava's gonna go ahead and cut this up. All right, go for it. So
Looks like a voodoo doll.
it does. All right, it's okay. So we're gonna go ahead and do a double tape here, and we're gonna put it in the middle of our page. And booyah, done. Next, now that she has it posted in the middle,
Number 3.
we are gonna go into our step 3. She has her paintbrush and her watercolors, and she is going to start from in to out. So if you want to go a little darker around the ghost and get lighter as you go to the end of the paper, that might come out really cool. So, but it's totally up to you. This is your creation. Tell us what you're doing.
I am taking off my ghost, and you're supposed to put tape on the back so that it can come off very easily. That's what it looks like. So it's a very odd shaped ghost.
Oh, you used brown. I haven't used brown yet.
Makes it really pretty.
Yeah, it does.
So right now we're going to be drawing on